As well as a big blow to the Aam Aadmi Party, with 5 of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs resigning. MLAs were denied a ticket by AAP, and it's a jolt to the AAP amid the poll campaign, given that elections are taking place on the 5th. If we list these 5 MLAs, it's Madan Lal, Rohit Kumar, Rajesh Rishi, Naresh Yadav and Pawan Sharma. So that is the big breaking news coming in right now. 5 MLAs from the Aam Aadmi Party who were denied a ticket by AAP. So in a sense, these MLAs were not campaigning or anything. They had already been denied a ticket. However, 5 of them have resigned ahead of elections. So this comes amidst this electioneering and campaigning by the Aam Aadmi Party, where it's really fighting for a 3rd term in Delhi, and now news of 5 MLAs resigning. Well, let's go back to Aishwarya on this breaking news right now. And Aishwarya, so a blow to the Aam Aadmi Party, but also keeping in mind that these MLAs had been denied a ticket by the party.
Well, certainly 5 of their MLAs have resigned, and that's a big jolt before the Delhi Assembly polls. These are Madan Lal, Rohit Kumar, Rajesh Rishi, Naresh Yadav and Pawan Sharma. In these letters that we have accessed, those who have written to the those who have written to Arvind Kejriwal, in these particular letters, they have broadly mentioned that how the Aam Aadmi Party was formed with an ideology of fighting against corruption, but the party had been involved in the corruption activities, and therefore the reason, perhaps with all sadness, they are not willing to be a part of Aam Aadmi Party, and the resignation should be accepted, is something that the Aam Aadmi Party former MLAs have now stated, because they have now tendered their resignation. In fact, it is rising. The numbers are rising. It is now 6. We have been told that 6, of course, is Bhavna Gaur, who had also submitted the resignation to Arvind Kejriwal, and she also wrote in her letter that I hereby resign from the primary membership of Aam Aadmi Party. I have lost faith in you and the party. Please accept the same. So numbers are rising. These are the MLAs which were earlier elected for Aam Aadmi Party, served for the party for 5 years, and just before the elections, as they were denied ticket by the Aam Aadmi Party, submitting their resignations to Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal.
All right, so a series of resignations, desertions for the Aam Aadmi Party, and this is at a time when it's fighting this very, very tough election, Aishwarya, but also joined by Shreya for more. And Shreya, the numbers are simply increasing now. 7 MLAs have resigned.
That's right. It is quite shocking to see so many MLAs resigning right ahead of the elections. It's only 5 days left for the Delhi Assembly elections, and it is going to be the toughest elections for the Aam Aadmi Party. And these MLAs, the 7 of them who have resigned, most of them did not get a ticket for this Assembly elections, and they have clearly stated that they do not believe in the party anymore, and it is because of the internal, distrust within the party that they are resigning. It is definitely going to be a huge blow on the party and its election preparations right ahead of the Delhi Assembly election, considering that this is going to be a triangular contest, and BJP quite aggressively campaigning to dethrone Aam Aadmi Party, and at such a critical time and sensitive time, so many of these MLAs resigning consecutively is quite shocking to see. And we understand that there is bound to be dissatisfaction for not getting a ticket to contest the elections, but all of a sudden on the same very day, as many as 7 MLAs giving their resignation is definitely quite shocking.